Law Courts Post Media file. A former Edmonton real estate agent who defrauded clients and a colleague out of more than $100,000 was sentenced on Friday to nearly 2 years in jail and ordered to repay his victims. Cristo Corralias, 51, was convicted of 3 counts of fraud over $5,000 after a November 2017 trial when a judge found he'd taken various sums that totaled $112,500 from 4 people between 2007 and 2009 while he was working as an agent in the Edmonton area. Corralias was sentenced to 2 years less a day by Court of Queen's Bench John Little on Friday. Little also ordered that if Corralias fails to pay back the ordered restitution within 3 years of his release from jail, he'll be sent back for an additional 2 years. Court heard Corralias' frauds were distinct but had some similarities. He convinced one couple who he'd completed several successful transactions for previously to give him money for non-existent real estate deals. He got money out of an inexperienced colleague at his office by offering her career development opportunities to help advance her career, but then used the money for himself. He told a client, whose condo he sold, that he'd get her a replacement condo that she could eventually buy from him if she paid him the $12,250 GST charge on the sale. She paid him, but it turned out there was no condo. Crown Prosecutor Megan Rosborough called Corralias a predatory fraudster, while asking for a sentence of 2 to 3 years. Defense lawyer Christopher Luchik argued his client should receive a 2-year conditional sentence, and that the court could impose conditions that would ensure Corralias isn't allowed to be in a position of trust during his sentence. "Hey, I did the crime, so I have to serve the time," Corralias said when given the opportunity to address the court before being sentenced. Nearly in tears, he apologized to his victims, 3 of whom sat in the courtroom gallery. "I'm paying the price today," he said. When during the sentence, Little said that Corralias' remorse was non-existent until today. Jody Riange, who Corralias tricked into paying the GST on the non-existent condo, and who wrote a victim impact statement detailing the financial strain she remains under today, said after the sentence was imposed that she's glad the case is concluded. "I wish he would have got longer," she said. Real Estate Council of Alberta spokeswoman Natalie Scollett confirmed Friday that Corralias was facing a dozen conduct allegations when his application for a lifetime withdrawal from the industry was approved in July 2011. Parsons at postmedia.com. Twitter.com. Peggy Parsons